Hey, Wilson Taylor here. So glad that you found my channel. What is this channel all about? This channel is going over gadgets, going over some technology from an average person's perspective. I'm just an average guy. I'm not a professional. You can probably tell in my videos that I am not. But I sure love going over this stuff. So what can you expect in this channel? You can expect me to go over some of these gadgets, some of this technology, and helping you along. What it is that I might find frustrating, what you might find frustrating, such as how do you update? Where is this even located? Or what even comes in the box? Have you ever wondered? You just don't really want to purchase it until you get a look inside. Yeah, I'm that sort of guy. I love to look and see before I get a purchase what it is that I get, or I have so many questions about a device. Love to do my research in advance on everything before I buy it. I know that you're like me, so subscribe and hit that bell icon. That way you get notified for when I put out a new video. I can't wait to see you in the next one, and thanks for checking me out.